In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I can stop pop-up notifications from KineMaster app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, if you are receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from KineMaster app, then you can easily stop them permanently by accessing KineMaster information page. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, to access the app information page, there are two methods. First, you need to go to settings, and here's settings. And then from settings, look for the option called apps, and you can see I have my apps option here. From apps, look for the option called manage apps, or on your phone, it might be written all apps or more apps. Then this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Go ahead and look for your app from the list. And you can see here, KineMaster is here. From this, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see you are on the app information page. Now, if getting here is quite long or it is a tedious process, let me show you a shortcut method. Now, for the shortcut method, just go to your app and you can see it is here. But this time around, instead of clicking on it or tapping on it, just go ahead and long press, and you'll see this option called app info. So if you tap on it, you'll end up on the same page. From here, we want to stop pop-up notifications, and you can see if you go under notifications, it is currently turned to yes. So from here, go ahead and tap on it, and as you can see, we have quite a number of notifications that have been turned on. You can go ahead and turn off one by one, but the best method is to go here under show notifications and then toggle these off, and this will turn all the other notifications off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications on your KineMaster app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.